Hi, I'm Tracy and this is my kitchen. Welcome back for another episode of Tasty Yet Healthy, where everything we make is tasty yet healthy. Today we're going to be making Cajun chicken with wild rice. It's not a super fast dinner, but it is super easy. It's full of flavor. You will need to give yourself probably about 45 minutes to an hour for preparation and cook time. But let's get started. Okay, so we are making Cajun chicken with wild rice today. And we got a whole lot of wholesome ingredients. Our main portion is going to be chicken breast today. We're going to chop it up with zucchini. We have 3 of these here, and we have fresh cherry tomatoes. But to get us started, we are using wild rice, and you know it takes a little bit longer than regular white rice. It's going to take about 45 minutes in your pot. So this is going to be the first thing that you want to start with. So we're going to get that started. I am going to need 2 cups of rice to 4.5 cups of water. So I've already got the water in the pot. I'm going to pour in my 2 cups of rice, and I'll be right back and we'll start on the chicken. All right, so once you have your rice on the stove, when it comes to a boil, you want to cover it and put it down to a simmer. And I've set my timer for 45 minutes. When it's all done, you just let it sit until you're ready to take the lid off and serve it. But right now we're going to work on the chicken. So with our chicken, we're going to dice up our chicken breast, and we're going to dice up the zucchini. We're going to mix it all together with the olive oil and Cajun seasoning. Beforehand, you want to preheat your oven to 400 so it's ready to go when we put the chicken in the oven. All right. All right, so once we have all our chicken diced and our zucchini diced, we mixed in our flavor, all that Cajun seasoning and olive oil. Now we're gonna bake it in our preheated oven that's at 400 for about 20 minutes. You wanna spread that layer out real good on your pans, not overlapping the chicken, so it can cook all the way around it pretty evenly with the vegetables there. All right, so let's get it in the oven. Okay, so dinner is all done in under an hour, and we have a tasty yet healthy, full of fresh ingredients dinner. We're gonna give it a try. I can't wait. My kids were outside and they said you could even smell it outside. So my neighbors think that I'm cooking wonderful too. So let's try it. Got our tomatoes and our zucchini here. And then let's try a little bit of our chicken and the wild rice. If you have not had wild rice, you got to add it to your diet because it's very good for you. That chicken has just the right amount of zing for me. If you don't like a really strong kick, don't put so much Cajun seasoning in it, but I love it. My family loves spicy food, so we like a lot of Cajun. So in my recipe, we use 3 tablespoons for that chicken. You're welcome to cut that in half, but you want that zing to it. So try it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and follow me on Instagram, Tasty Yet Healthy. And you can see what I eat every day and see how I've lost 50 pounds, plus 50 pounds. So See you next time.